Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Right now the time is around 5:09 and I woke up just now. It seems it has rained a bit yesterday night, and right now I'm just calling my friend and confirming whether we are going to the right or not. So just stay tuned and I'll let you know whether we are going to the right or not. When the right confirmation is done, like my friend said, I will get ready for the ride. If at this time we start, if it's drizzling and all, we'll stop the ride. If not, we'll continue with the ride. So I'll see you at exact 5:15 or I'm not 5:50 or 5:55. This is the amount of risk I take to take this time lapse, and if it falls, the phone will fall from 80th floor and it will go directly to that second floor. So make sure you like my video. So this is how the struggle of time changing time lapse will be. Just check the amount of clouds coming towards us, and the roads are still wet. I think it's not properly visible to you all, but the roads are still wet, and this is how it is, like full of white clouds and black clouds on the sky. So the riding chances are now 50-50. Like there will be a last confirmation call from my friend and our group, and we'll decide according to that. But full of black clouds, man. Well, right now the time is around 7. Yeah, 6-7, and it started drizzling. Come on, man. See how clouds are coming towards us, and the proof of rain is this part. So like we are planning to start a ride in just 15-20 minutes. Like we will wait for another 15-20 minutes. If the rain is reducing or it's stopping, we'll go for the ride. Otherwise, చెప్పు బ్రో.
హలో,
చెప్పు.
ఏం చెప్పేది, నీ దగ్గర నుంచి 2 మిస్డ్ కాల్స్ ఉన్నాయి.
మరి కొద్దిసేపట్లో తగ్గనున్న వర్షం.
తగ్గుతుంది.
ఒరే నిజంగా రా.
అవునా?
నరలు తగ్గిపోతుంది చూడు.
రావట్లేదా ఇంకా?
ఇప్పుడు ఆగుద్ది. ఇప్పుడైతే గాలి వస్తుంది బాగా. 45 మినిట్స్ దాకా ఆగిపోద్దిరా వర్షం. ఇంకో 15 మినిట్స్ ఆగిన తర్వాత.
అంతేనంటావా?
కన్ఫర్మ్. నేను చెప్తున్నా, నిన్న దగ్గర చెప్పానా ఒక 15 మినిట్స్ ఆగిరా వర్షం తెలుస్తుందని. వచ్చిందా? మరి ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్తున్నా ఆగిపోవాలిగా. నిజంగా రా. ఫోర్కాస్టింగ్ గాడ్. ఏమంటావు?
చూద్దాం అయితే.
ఏమంటావు? రెడీయా?
రెడీ. డ్రెస్ సేపు 2 నిమిషాలు. అది కాదు, వర్షం తగ్గాలంతే.
సేమ్ హియర్. రెడీ అవుతా.
ఒకసారి అయితే అరుణ్ గారికి కూడా ఫోన్ చేయండి.
సరేరా. సరేరా.
అందరు అక్కడే ఉన్నారు, వాడికి ఒకరికి ఫోన్ చేస్తే చాలు.
సరేరా.
ఓకే బ్రో. ఓకే.
A few moments later.
Guys, just believe me or not, the rain has totally stopped and the sun is like spreading out the brightness all over the city right now, and like right now I'm excited for the ride, and the ride is on. Yes, the ride is on. No matter how, but we'll start now, and if it rains in middle, we'll stop there and we'll come back, but we are going on a ride. So just excited, and I just changed my clothes. Well, let's start with right now. Let me tell you the time. Right now the time is around 6:49. Like We waited for at least 40 minutes and the result is so beautiful. So the moral is like, wait and you'll get the result. The time is around 7:03. We are all geared up and late. We are starting to the ride, and till now again no weather conditions. I mean no rain conditions right now. The weather is fit and fine, and the guy is also geared up. And the beast is here, the Interceptor 650, and we are going to the same place, the Raindrop Resort, where we went to the last time. Well, we'll do check out how many riders turned out, and this is our first monsoon ride, so I'm a bit excited and also scared that it should not rain. So let's go and have a fun ride. You'll please wear helmet, come on man, be a responsible rider, okay? Well, coming to the point, we have reached the highway and we are waiting for our friends to come. Like they'll be coming in around 2 minutes or 3 minutes from now. So just waiting for them, and like the weather is so awesome, man. It's not so cool, it's not so hot. It's a perfect weather to ride, and it's not raining right now. The roads are a bit heavy, yeah. I do understand the roads are a bit heavy, but the weather is so awesome. I mean, like, I'm in love with the weather right now, and I'm excited to ride. Like, so let's go there, and I'll see you somewhere in between or direct at the resort. Bye. Well, the riders are here. Oh, Omji. Hey. Chalo, let's go to the ride. Come on.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient, and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass half wish. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low.
So right now we are at the location, the Raindrop Resort, and very few bikes came. Like, I think we came late. I have seen a huge group of Harley Davidson passing through us, and right now the weather is so awesome. I'm saying camera is not doing the perfect justice to the weather. The weather conditions are so awesome, cool air around us and the heat from the engine which is keeping us warm. Well, so this is what the lineup was. RH200 Ninja, RH200 Interceptor 650, Classic 350, I guess. Yeah, Classic 350 and the Duke 390. Well, this is how the lineup we followed, and this is what our group riders rode today. And we are spending some time over here, chilling out, discussing. Actually, I have a plan to have some food or tea kind of stuff. Totally loving the weather conditions right now, and I am myself talking a lot about weather, but really, it was a blessing to me put at this time. Chalo guys, we are leaving back to the home, and it will take around 1 hour to 1 hour, 45 minutes, not 40 minutes, 45 to 1 hour. So it is around like 60 kilometers from here. So let's go back, and I'll meet you all at the point where we stop. So finally reached to our room, and right now the time is around 11:30. We took a lot of photos in between as the weather was so awesome, and today I expected a good amount of riders to come, but due to rain, lot of have not come. So even we were a bit late to the venue. So this is so this is our first monsoon weekend ride. So it was wonderful, and the weather was really awesome. A camera could not do the perfect justice to it, but man, you should experience this once in your lifetime. And today we had a good group. I mean, like we were around 7 people together in 4 bikes, and we had a good group ride as well. So that's all for this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. So see you soon in my next vlog. Until then, you take care. Goodbye.